Sasa tunaingia mbele. Sasa tunaingia mbele yenu. Na wazazi mnaonaje? Sasa tunaingia. Na wazazi mnaonaje? Sasa tunaingia. Sasa tunaingia mbele yenu kama malaika. Sasa tunaingia mbele yenu kama malaika. Na masude mnaonaje? Sasa tunaingia. Na masude mnaonaje? Sasa tunaingia. Sasa tunaingia mbele yenu kama malaika. Sasa tunaingia mbele yenu kama malaika.
Kanisa takatifu led by Father Chris na wazazi. Biyamore naende. Bas aya nena menge. Dero onde no mo sana. Nje muno orora ekena vera board. This is my second time as a board member and the vice chair. Na go kile korama ama endragi. Bare kama okena muke kama koyo. Biyamore sana sabase. I want to say humbly that honorable member I have known you for some time. And this one is done by honorable members, people who love their community, people who love their people, people who want this school together.
Na primary, I must say you have done a wonderful job. Madam Principal Netimiao, we are proud of you. Mwakorire gasengia, mwagende sukuru ya primary, ya nyodira bana, ya biadira bana baya, equality ngia ya gende sukuru yego shine. Fato ito, Esukuru is one of the best performing secondary schools to Watega. Ne population ya abane ne sana. Abana baba ito we karastega iga, na abana bagwa to mukemonene. I'm proud of you abana bane. I'm proud of you no muibori because of mwana bi anene ka orikeino, and I know the sacrifices your parents have made when shanga mwabede school bakarero iga. Na nche mun on behalf of our Baino, on behalf of my family, because what I do for you will affect my family directly. Nabonta edoko partner in a special way when shanga achieve your full potential, because that's all that you can do to achieve a status chinde abana baba kubo bago tuara. Education is an equalizer. Nere ko yero mwana bo mutaka nera ikaranso no mwana bo mukubwa. Abani mubaito be secondary. you have sacrificed a lot to ensure school ya perform to perform. Entry behavior ya wana baitoga iga ntomatenere very strong. And the what you are body. Aba nafunzi togwatega iga nabaya. Lakini abalimu barega iga barabaya side because abale FS of Kenya. This principal here has covered many kilometers to come here, and we had handed him because he's one of the best. We are proud of you, sir. Omwana gachirenka naye mukwanire asokonyara musegete motebi mumwanone nabe bintu dabe bili munotagete. Lakini yasawo yotoga saba na itari ko gotiga bosa.